Are you looking for an easy and reliable way to export your MBOX files into Outlook PST format? Welcome to WholeClear MBOX to PST Converter, a powerful solution to convert your .MBOX files to .pst in just a few clicks. Key features of the MBOX to PST Converter. Import MBOX to Outlook, all editions supported. Preview emails along with complete properties. Convert MBOX to PST with all attachments preserved. Enjoy compatibility with multiple MBOX-supported email clients. Steps to convert MBOX files into Outlook PST format. Step 1. Install WholeClear MBOX to PST Converter. Step 2. Select the MBOX file format from the mail source. Step 3. Choose folder or file mode and add MBOX files. Step 4. Select Export to PST file format, .pst, as the output type. Step 5. Browse and choose a destination location to save the PST files. Step 6. Click Convert Now to start the conversion process. Within minutes, your MBOX files are ready to be accessed in MS Outlook PST format, quickly, safely, and efficiently. Whether for personal or corporate use, WholeClear MBOX to PST Converter ensures a smooth and secure migration every time. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.